What if I told you that you could make some of the best tasting apple juice right from your very own kitchen? That's right. And what's great about it is you probably already have apples in your home. Once you learn how to make apple juice, you'll never see the store-bought apple juice the same again. Okay, so first you're gonna go ahead and rinse off your apples, and we're using just all Fuji apples because we kind of like ours a little bit sweeter side, but you can use a variety of apples. You can put a few Granny Smiths in here. Honey Crisp work well. Red Delicious variety works well. So there's a lot of different varieties of apples that will work great with apple juice, and you can mix and match, do as you please. Now, after you've rinsed them, we're going to cut them in half. And depending on how big your juicer hole is, you're going to just quarter them as well. After you cut the apples, you're just going to core it. That's it. Just remove the core. And if you may need, you can cut even a little bit smaller. So it just depends on what size your juicer is. If you guys are all interested in more juicing videos, or you have some ingredients that maybe you can recommend for us, then let us know in the comment section down below. We love to hear it, and we love to try new things. Okay, so now we're going to use our juicer here, and here's the pulp catcher, and this is our Ninja juicer. Here is the cup to catch the juice. So we're going to cut it on. This is just going to feed this through. And you see, the apple juice is coming out. And we did just leave the peeling on ours. There's extra nutrients in my opinion, so, but I mean, you're more than welcome to peel the skin, but it's optional. And juicing is one of our favorite ways to just enjoy some of the natural goodness, you know, and not have all those different things in your juices and foods. We love cooking from scratch and cooking things from homemade, you know, because you know what's going in your food, you know what's going in your drinks, and we're a big fan of that when you do it yourself a lot of times. We try to do it ourselves as much as possible. Does anybody know if this will taste good with carrots? Like if I blended carrots, like carrots and apple juice, carrot apple juice? Has anybody tried that? I need some good flavor combinations. Maybe I could record them for you all. And here's some apple juice, and we got plenty more to go as you see all these apples. And you know, it gets a little foamy at the top, but that's okay. It'll disappear. That's completely normal. I think it's honestly from the air and things kind of mixed in it. Okay, and to unclog this, because sometimes it can get a little clogged, we just need to kind of clear it out some. I mean, that's all. It's really low maintenance. So that's cleaned out, and we're going to resume juicing. And if you have a compost bin, you could use this for the composter. And here we go. And if you obviously want yours a little bit sweeter, you can, but we're into that natural taste. But there's nothing wrong with adding a little bit of sugar if that's what you may like. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour us a nice glass. And it's good, and it's sweet enough to me. For the love of apples, happy fall. If you enjoyed this recipe, I ask that you go ahead and press the thumbs up button and give us a like. Comment down below, are you going to try to make you some homemade apple juice? It tastes amazing. Also, ring that notification bell, and don't forget to check out our latest fall recipe videos over here, or just our latest video uploads.